What if I told you you could get a neutral eye look with this really bright palette? If you actually look at your eyeshadows like an artist or a painter would, your color possibilities are essentially limitless. There are some neutral shades in here, but we're not even going to use those because we don't need them. We're going to make our own with the bright colors. Purple and green are opposites, so if I take the green and the purple, this should make a really dingy base color. It's going to be a good base for a neutral color, and then we could adjust it with other shades. We're almost there. I need to grab more of the green. But yeah, I just made kind of like a brown color with that shade. It's hard for me to mix in the edges. Realistically, you would do this on the eye with a brush. You wouldn't mix it on the back of your hand like this. And then if you wanted to adjust that shade, you could just do that by utilizing kind of like mid-value, light, warm, and cool colors to adjust this mid-tone that we just made. So I could use that yellow, or this pink would be great. Shades that have like white in them. So you can just take like 2 of these colors. This pink would actually be great for an adjustment. See the color in the middle? And then if I wanted to utilize some of these shimmers that are like crazy colors, like this green. So green and purple are opposites, so that'll make a good dingy color. So if you just grab that purple shimmer, so these 2 colors, and shimmers mix better on the back of the hand, so it's easier for me to illustrate this. So let's do the green first, and then the purple, and then use a clean finger. But right away, they just canceled each other out. But look at that beautiful neutral shimmer I just made with those 2 really vibrant colors. That's why in a lot of ways, you actually get more versatility when it comes to eyeshadow with these bright palettes, because you have almost like these primary colors built in that one, you could do a bright look. You can never reverse engineer neutral colors to become vibrant primary-esque colors, but you can take these bright colors and turn them into neutrals like I just did. I use only like the green, yellow shades and the purples to create these 2 colors, the shimmer and the matte. I'm gonna recreate this right now. I'm gonna dip one side into the green and then one side into the purple. Side's purple, one side's green. And then kind of just sweeping windshield wiper motions. Look at that, that's like a neutral color. It would actually probably be better if you dipped on the same side, but I wanted to illustrate the different colors. So I have them both on the same side of the brush now. And then just pat, and then swipe, almost a brown shade. But basically the point is that I neutralized those 2 colors that are very bright and turned them into something neutral using this crazy green and that purple. Now, if I wanted to make a shimmer to sweep over the crease, I'm gonna do the same concept with just the shimmers. So I'm gonna take this green and then actually wanna go a little bit, this purple. And then I'm gonna sweep the green first and then go in with that was the green. This is the purple. The purple, since it's